$1,000 today, just $1,000 today across all my evals, and truly 400 profit on these two XFAs. You guys can see right here, copy trading across all my evals. I got two combines, two XFAs, 247 for the day. I took one loss and one win. Okay, here are the shorts, literally a market open that actually made me money today. Without further ado, let's break down what I saw, what I took, and why I took it. Okay, I took shorts right at market opening, 10 minutes into market opening, around 9:37 towards Asia lows. Okay, without further ado, let's give you guys a recap. All right, coming into market open, guys, I actually had a bullish bias. Why? Because price was honestly very, very bullish prior to market open. Okay, I'm gonna go on the replay option so you guys see what I was looking at 9:25 right here, right? So price had already swept here. I'll go on the 1 hour first. Price looked like this pre-market. Okay, it looked like this pre-market, right? Obviously overextended. We are creating higher highs and higher lows. Ultimately going to the upside. Ultimately trending up, right? Higher time frame was leaning bullish, right? We have London lows that got swept pre-market, and we got London highs that got swept pre-market. Okay, my draws on liquidity, truthfully, were Asia lows, as you guys can see right here. Asia lows, and ultimately these New York PM highs, but honestly have not gotten swept. Well, actually, let me see. Yeah, London highs already got swept. My and London lows as well. I actually had Asia lows as my draw on liquidity. Okay, and market looked like this. Now, pay attention to this. This is pre-market. I was bullish on the day, but I did notice that we had a 5 minute bearish gap right here. Okay, so I was like, we could respect this bearish PD array. We could maybe sweep Asia lows and then reverse to the upside, and that's exactly and precisely what the fuck we did. Okay, let's go in the 1 minute so you guys see exactly what I was looking at when market open and all that good stuff. Right, boom, that's 9:30 right there. Let me speed this up a little slower. So market open at 9:30 here, 9:33. We tapped this 5 minute, as you guys can see right here, right? Remove this indicator. Open, tapped this 5 minute, and we started really. I did not like the opening at all. It was very, very, very choppy. I believe I actually went long once we actually had an inversion here. Like honestly, like rushed it a little bit. I believe I did go long, not waiting for candle closures. Honestly, targeting this internal high right here, and obviously got stopped. I lost 200 on that first trade, just rushing it, and then you guys will see when I enter on the second shorts. So here I entered shorts. Why? Because we displaced to the downside. We tapped into this 5 minute bearish gap, waited over here, respected it. We're obviously respecting bearish order flow, and we have honestly Asia lows that have not gotten swept. Okay, so even if the higher time frame is bullish, I understand price could rebalance back down, rebalance this range, sweep Asia highs, tap into this 1 hour bullish gap that we had over here, and then reject to the upside and end up, sweeping more buy side liquidity above. Right? I just understand price might end up sweeping Asia lows before we push higher, and that's exactly what we did. Enter shorts here. I placed my stops 23 points, honestly, at the consequent encroachment of this bearish gap. I figured if we displace lower, we have no reason to come back up and invert this. Right? We already displaced to the downside. Went in with 4 MNQs, 4 macros here, 4 macros on the first longs as well. I'm targeting Asia lows, as you guys can see right here, Asia lows, and this is how the trade went. Retraced a little bit, respected that 1 minute, TP smacked. Okay, boys, and that's how I made $400 on my funded and like about $1,000 on the day entirely. Okay, fellas, easy one trade. I believe I exited like before these draws got taken in case for any SMTs. Like I prematurely exited right here just because I just didn't want to hold that. Honestly, left some money on the table. Should have like honestly held all the way to Asia lows. Those lows were going to get taken regardless, and then price tapped into his hourly, and then we had a nasty, nice reversal to the upside, where I believe we ended up, yeah, we just reversed then nicely to the upside. I ended up sweeping these near AM highs. This would have been a nice trade as well, and just ultimately kept going up. But yeah, those were the shorts that I caught, boys. Easy continuation towards the next round liquidity after we respected this 5 minute, even being on the higher time frame bearish, even being on the higher time frame bullish. I'm sorry, I made myself available. I objectively flew with price. I reacted to price, and I banned today, boys. Pretty simple day. I showed you guys the P&L, as you guys can see right here. Green day. I believe I'm 2 days away from a payout. got out of drawdown, lost a lot of money yesterday, and now slowly building it back up. 2 days away from a payout. Didn't take any trades on alpha. Actually, gonna focus on that right now because my orders were getting flattened, and I'm gonna fix that and see if I can trade alpha by next week. Like I said, I'm only gonna be focusing on top step for now. Secure a payout, actually make money for the month, and then I'll go ahead and max allocate on alpha, make more money on all these other prop firm and so forth, so on and so on. These were the shorts. One trade, two trades, one loss, one win. Came out green for the day. Great day, boys. Continuation towards the next round liquidity. You guys know the motto. You guys know what I do. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Okay, let's go.